Vedas say that a human body has got five koshas: Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, and Anandamaya. Annamaya is food-based body. Pranamaya is our pran, that is vital energy. Manomaya is mind. Vijnanamaya is intellect. And Anandamaya is bliss. And it says that one has to cross these five to reach the divine power within us. And for this it has prescribed a method called yoga, under which you cross the Annamaya, master it through asana, and the Pranamaya through breathing, that is pranayama, and you cross the Manomaya through dharana, that is internalization of the truth of the God, and then Vijnanamaya by meditation, dhyana, and then Anandamaya by samadhi. Once you cross this, then you will be able to reach the divine power within you. And this entire exercise is defined very clearly in Atma Sadhana. And a person who wants to realize the God must do this Atma Yoga.